What up, everyone? This is Jibreel Muhammad. So, I'm starting a. Let me shoot like this, I guess. Um, I'm starting a in-home server build so that I can do more with my computer, my development environment, the data that I store and that we keep, and have a system at home where my computers can talk to it and access that information anytime. So this is my first day, kind of setting up my server. I haven't installed any software or hardware, extra hardware components on this outside of a Wi-Fi adapter. What we're running here is a 12th generation Intel i5 core processor on here. It's a small form factor device. As you can see, it's not huge. 512 NVMe SSD, which is really a good amount of space for me to start off with. I can get additional storage, 3 terabytes, and I'll probably end up grabbing that. What else do we have here? 16 gigabytes of DDR5, which is really good. And I think a 300-watt power supply. So it's a decent spec. The 12th generation i5 core processor gives me an up-to-date kind of system. Bought this for 160 bucks. 16 gigs of DDR5. So it has some RAM. We're going to try to upgrade this to every bit of 48 to 64. But for right now, what we're doing, we can do everything we need. This is more than enough in today's world to run some local systems, local AI systems. But what we're doing here is a development environment for the XRP Ledger. I am buying GPUs and finding slim GPUs that can fit in here because I am going to download a local language model on this device, and I'm going to also download codecs, and I want these two models to work with each other. So it's going to be really just a development environment for myself. I don't know anything about in-home servers too much, Linux or anything like that, but I'm building a team to help me with Linux. I got my people Chris, and he's another developer that is going to be working with me on the XRP Ledger. We're going to learn this thing by ourselves, man. So this is my first day. I guess what I'm going to be doing is popping up updates of what we're doing with the technology. You can see I'm still getting set up right now. Like, it's nothing crazy. My setup is getting together. You know what I'm saying? It's coming together. I got all this other stuff I got to clean up, so don't judge me. But everything is looking good so far, man. And this is really, really cool. Shout out to my Asian lady, baby girl right there, gave it to me. Always gonna keep that in my house. But yeah, man, this is dope. I started off wanting to, and let me fix the angle. I started off wanting to just really learn about technology, and over the last year, what I've done with myself is not make myself feel bad about using AI to learn more. A lot of people in the technology world were talking real bad about it, but this has got me up to date, up to speed. I'm also a part of something called the XRP Ledger Make Waves Hackathon. And right now, I'm just doing what I said I would do as a developer, as a person, as a man in this earth. And I'm turning into a full nerd, man. It's really cool. And literally, I don't have really too much else to say on that part. But this is just day one of building an in-home server with no knowledge. So if you know anything about building a server, if you know anything about Linux or Ubuntu, hit me up, comment below, let me know something.